I'm about 5 miles in, and it's it's not too bad. The hills going up, it's a gradual ascent as I'm going up the hills, onwards and onwards. Hi everyone, just thought I'd show you this shipwreck. It's called the Shipwreck of Coal, a boat which was built I think in the 1970s and ran aground here in 2011. Absolutely beautiful location. I did the bike ride. I did feel tension on part of the ride, and I think what that is obviously this is a different terrain to the flat Norfolk I live in. I don't know the area. I did 28 miles and it was it's like anything. It's like the brain, it feels most comfortable when you feel safe. So when I do a bike ride at home, I'm in my normal location, whereas here I've never cycled around here. It was very mountainous, obviously being in Scotland, and at one point I came across a bull with a calf and was getting a bit scared going past it. But here I just feel really at peace. Absolutely beautiful location. Tomorrow I will be doing Ben Nevis, which I am a bit worried about, obviously, but I'll be fine, absolutely fine. Forecast clear skies. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you this because it is an amazing location.